Many schools and businesses still manage sensitive operations using shared spreadsheets. But as multiple users begin accessing the same spreadsheet, serious problems start to appear. For example, in the Google Sheet shown here, a geography teacher should only access geography marks while a history teacher should only see history related data. But inside a normal spreadsheet, both users can still view or accidentally modify each other's entries. And when changes happen, there is often no reliable way to track who modified the data or when the update occurred. Hi, I'm Ansar Ahmed. In this project, I built a secure internal portal using Retool that transforms a standard Google Sheet into a role based management system. When I log in as admin, administrators get complete visibility across all student records, including subject wise marks, totals, grades, and overall academic information. But when a geography teacher logs in to the system, the application dynamically hides all unauthorized fields and only allows access to geography related data. The teacher can securely update only the marks they are responsible for without accessing confidential information belonging to other teachers or other departments. Same happens with the history teacher. When the history teacher logs in, the system dynamically adjusts the interface and restricts access to history related fields only. Every modification is also recorded through a complete audit trail, allowing administrators to track exactly who changed what, when the change happened, and what the previous value was. This creates a secure, accountable workflow that is far more reliable than managing operations directly inside shared spreadsheets. By pulling your data off raw spreadsheets and into a secure system like this, you protect your business from leaks, data corruption, and human error while making your team 10 times more efficient. Whether you are dealing with messy data pipelines, broken workflows, or security gaps, these are exactly the kinds of problems I solve every day. If you want a secure custom automation system built tailored for your business operation, let's talk. Drop me a ping right now on LinkedIn or send me an email at the email ID I specified in the description below. Let, let us get your systems running smoothly. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more of flow breakdowns. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.